Hey guys, so welcome to BMW blog. We're still in Portugal. We just finished the day with the new M8 Coupe and also the 8 Series Gran Coupe. And BMW has given us some secret access to the new BMW M8 Gran Coupe. And we're going to film it for you and kind of show you the car a little bit. And then we'll have additional footage and photos coming up right after. If you take a look at the design of the M8 Gran Coupe, similar to the M8 Coupe. So you have a identical front fascia with, this one is the competition model, so you're getting additional carbon fiber inserts in the air intakes, also on the front lip. Kidney grills are all painted in black. The car features some laser lights. Now if we move to the side, you can see the silhouette of the Gran Coupe, identical to the 8 Series Gran Coupe, but with the specific M elements. So if you get closer, you can see the side grills with the M logo. Also getting the M mirrors in carbon fiber, of course. The roof is also finished in carbon fiber, and it has the optional carbon ceramic brakes with the yellow calipers. So if you move to the back, you can also see the M8 Coupe element on it. So the 100mm tailpipes, the carbon fiber surrounding them. You also have a trunk spoiler finished in carbon fiber. Take a look at the boot space. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You can easily fit a couple of large suitcases in a smaller one. And then if you move to the side a little bit more, you can again see the silhouette specific to the Gran Coupes. And the last thing I'm going to show you, we're going to go inside the car, just take a brief look at its design. So the typical BMW M8 cabin. You have the sports steering wheel with the M1 and M2 buttons, the black panel display, the large LCD, and of course the new gear shifter from the M8. Two-tone leather seats, sport seats, quilted and also perforated. And if we open the back, you can see the captain chairs, basically 2+1, 3 seat belts, so you can seat 3 people if you really want to. It's meant for 2, but you can definitely put a third person for short distances. All right, guys. So once again, this is the new BMW M8 Gran Coupe. It goes in production in November, and shortly after we'll reach worldwide markets. Once again, thanks for watching. See you soon.